I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Okay, okay.
Ano yan, ano yan?
Rayo ang masulay.
What? Okay, Daddy.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Fine. Okay.
Diyan man kami kito nag-park.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Okay, Mommy.
Yung may tip-top.
Daddy, tip that. Oh, okay, okay, Mommy. Oh, Daddy.
It's on the right.
Daddy, can I tip that?
Ito yung parkingan.
Ha?
Ayan, address ah.
Oh, may cookies and cream. Anong flavor gusto mo, Buboy? Chocolate?
Yeah, ako. I do. Hindi away.
Ayun yung chocolate. Ayun. Chocolate. Just ano. Chocolate. One chocolate fudge.
I want some
Gusto ko yan.
ice cream.
One.
Don't go away.
The other flavour. There's 3 other areas to go. Just wait here. So you want that one first. Then what?
Alam ba sa'yo?
What is that purple one?
It's a berry sorbet. It's like a berry ice block.
I want chocolate rocky one.
Buboy, hold this. Hold. And one, which, this? Ano ba? Gumdrops.
It's chocolate.
Wow.
It's just chocolate. There's chocolate or there's chocolate
Thank you, Go. I'll just have,
double chocolate and
I'll
fudge.
just have strawberry.
Anong daw sa po?
What about double chocolate fudge?
Oh,
You listening? Which chocolate? Plain chocolate?
I want chocolate fudge.
And mine is
We got it.
mochaccino fudge.
Hi. Is it two scoopers, please?
Ano, masarap?
Strawberry rusty roll
Mochaccino sa
and chocolate.
Nakalagbaga naman daw.
Fudge on the
Sa kuya, bayaran mo.
Huh?
Ikaw na magbayad ka, boss. Ilalagay ko yun.
Okay, Mommy, let's go.
Ika nga bak na tayo doon. Ang daming tao sa ice creaman.
Mommy.
Turn right onto Hill Park Drive.
Hill Park.
Okay.
Oh.
In 400 meters at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Hill Park Drive.
Ew. Okay, Daddy, make it again. Mommy.
Parang dyan yung ano, nahiling ka dating falls, ano?
Who?
So nakatago ba ka dyan?
Bakit ano? Tago Okay, mommy.
In 600 meters, turn left.
Turn left.
600 meters.
I go.
Mga ano kaya din na hiling mo paano na.
Tapi ka lang ihengkap. Okay, mommy. Tapi kap. Git.
Dito na tayo, malilim.
Okay.
Ang liit naman ang park na to, Buboy.
What?
Maliit.
Tati ka ikataan lang pak.
Maganda ba to?
Oo.
Mga bahay, guys. Doon. Yan lang naman na yung ano dito. Oh. Wala namang slide. Ganyan lang. Yan lang yung palaruan dito. Mainit baga, Buboy. Masunog ka dyan sa init. Andito kami, guys, sa isang park.
Ikaw hot.
Park ng Pocono.
In 150 meters, turn right onto Mark Ball Drive.
Ganito yung mga houses dito sa Pocono.